the path's full stalking. Wow, look at this one. Oh no, the path has collapsed right here. But don't worry, my mini tractor and I will build a new bridge. There we go, a perfect new bridge. Time to build a bridge with my mini tractor, using this string to keep it straight and strong. There, a perfect concrete bridge. Time to build. Let's check this path. This mud is soft. The tractor is pressing it down. Perfect! Now we can build on this. Time to clear this path. Out you come. Almost done. Time to build a bridge. I'll use the mini tractor. Gathering stones now. Pile them up high. Almost done. Okay, mini tractor, let's clear this dirt. Yes, push it away from the bridge. Great job, now we can build. Let's build a bridge. Dig the trench. Yay, keep going. Let's build the path, mini tractor. Scoop the wet soil out. Deeper. Almost to the bridge. Time to build a bridge. Let's get this path ready. All right, tractor, let's smooth this out. Now for the edges. Gotta make them nice and straight. Perfect. A strong foundation for the bridge. Time to build this path. Rolling over it to make it strong. One more time. Perfect for the bridge. Hi friends, let's fix path. First we'll use the mini tractor. It's spreading a layer of fine sand. Watch the grains fill the base. Now it's ready for the next step. Time to build a mini tractor. Look, it's working. Time to build a bridge. First, the stone supports. A strong concrete bridge. Checking the alignment, press gently. Now for the next stone. This will make a strong bridge. All set, a concrete bridge. Wow, what a broken bridge! I can fix it. First I'll use my mini tractor for the dirt. Now for the wooden boards to make the formwork. It's starting to look like a real bridge. Time to fix this path for my tractor. I'll use soil to hold the board steady. Pack it tight. There, all done. Now the tractor can cross.